Hey guys, welcome back to Diecast Files. So today we have got two mini GTs from the Tsugio Matsuda collection. The first one is the Nissan Skyline GT-R R32 in gunmetal with the Matsuda figure, and another one is the Nissan GT-R Nismo from the Super GT series, which was also the Suzuka winner, again with the Matsuda figure. So I wanted to unbox both of them together in one video. So now I have both. Let's start. And before I begin today, I want to wish you all a very happy Diwali to the ones who are celebrating. Have a good one. Let's start. Let's take a quick look at the packaging. So this one has a unique package because it contains the figure, right? So as you can see, this is the number one of the collection. Here we have the figure, the car. Let's look at the sides. Okay, so this is the number 869. Okay, here's the collab that we can see. Same here as well, and here at the back. Okay, so we can see that this is an official licensed product from Nissan. Let's unbox. I've never unboxed a packaging like this, so yeah, I'm not sure whether this is the correct place to cut it or not, but we will soon get to know. Guys, while I unbox this, subscribe to my channel for more such content. It gives me more motivation, right? And guys, subscribe and like and share my video. Okay, so let us first check out the figurine. This is my first miniature figure. I never had a figure before, so this is a new experience for me. Okay, let's take a closer look. Okay, this is nicely done, right? Let me zoom in. This is nicely done. I think all these are handmade, if I am not wrong, right? Okay, there's a thread. Come on. Okay, gone. Let's see whether it stands on its own or not. Okay, it does. Okay, nice. Now let's go to the car. So guys, here's the car. This does not have a lot of liveries, decals and all. This is the classic R32. Let's take a quick look. Okay, let me zoom in. I just want to see what's the logo there. Guys, can you make it out? What's that? I can't. Okay, I think it's written GT. Okay, so the tires, right? So normal 5-spoke wheels, rolls smoothly. Okay, at the center you can see there's a golden nut, I guess. And okay, there's the Nismo branding on the spoke. This, guys, is a very, very small detail. I think many of you would have missed it. I surely did not. Okay, so let me zoom out. So this is the Nissan Skyline GT-R R32. Let's check out the front of the car. Okay, looks really nice, right? It looks really, really nice. I need to zoom in for the details. Okay, so the headlights are plastic inserts, of course, and as you can see inside the plastic inserts as well, there are details. Okay, okay, here's the grill of the car. Okay, and at the top, guys, in the slide you can see, right, the metal flakes. Okay, they look really, really good. Like, they shine really nicely. This is the gunmetal gray, of course, and on the center, okay, I need to again zoom in. I can't make out what that logo is. Okay, okay, that is the logo of the Skyline. All right. Okay, going to the windscreen, of course, so we have the wipers as well. Looks nice. There's the top. And here's the back. Okay, at the back we have some details and also the wiper, as you can see. Looks really nice. These lines that you see right on the rear screen, like, yeah, they are neatly done. I have seen there are some QC issues with it, but in my model at least, it looks great. It looks great. And the front, they don't have any number plate details. Okay, let's then check out the back of the car. Okay, on the back you can see, of course, the plastic headlights. Again, looks nice. I just want to hold it closer to the camera so that you guys can see better. Okay, you can see the Skyline text there, and also there is the number plate details. Okay, the front lacks it, but the rear has it. Okay, looks cool. And here's the as you can see, the exhaust as well, which is of course painted. That is why it shines. And on the back, okay, how could I miss this? So there's the GT-R logo as well. Okay, nice detailing, Let me just check the mirrors. Yes, of course, they are made of rubber, of course. Looks nice. And guys, like, when this was launched, right, it just dominated the touring race scene. Like, it won 29 out of all the 29 races from 1990 to 1993, like, with no defects, nothing. So this was nicknamed the Godzilla. Many of you, I hope, know about this. So this was simply a legendary car. Here's the base of the Skyline GT-R 32, and as you can see, they have some details, not complete or full details, but they have added some details, which is definitely a nice touch. I liked it. As you saw, the exhaust, which is painted. Yeah, and also if you see, the tires have trading, right? So they have the grip marks, the grips and all. Overall, a nice one. Let's do a quick roll test. Let's keep Mr. Matsuda aside. Yes, rolls really smoothly. Yeah, so I will definitely suggest, like, yeah, like, with this Skyline and this figure combo, like, this is a good one to have it into your collection. Let's unbox the next one. Now we have the Nissan GT-R Nismo number 23, the Suzuka winner, again of course with the Matsuda figures. As you can see, this is number 2 of the collection. Let's just quickly go to the box. Okay, again the same collab here, same here as well. Okay, this is the number Mini GT, like 875, and okay, again as you can see, this is a license from Nissan and also from the Super GT Association. Let's unbox. Guys, I will again say that while I unbox this, like subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this with your friends for more such content. I think many of you will be like more excited for this than maybe the R32. I may be wrong, but yeah, like, because I know many of you like cars with some decals and like designs and all than the plain solid color. Okay, I already like this more. Okay, I will first start with the figures. So this has 2 figures instead of 1. Okay, got it out. Okay, so let me zoom in. So this holds the P1, the pole 1 position, and yeah, so number 23, which is the car number, and of course it won, so we have the win there. Okay, now again let's check out Mr. Matsuda, of course. Again, it's a very neat figurine, and again let me zoom in. Like, guys, they have done the MOTUL sponsorship, the AUTECH sponsorship and other logos as well on such a small figure. Okay, like very neat details, right? Love it. Let's keep it here again. Can I? Okay, does it sit? Okay, I can't make it sit. Okay, now let's move on to the car. Guys, this looks so good. the detailing is like spot on. I love this model. Like look at the mix of the color. I now regret that I unboxed it so late. I had this this diecast from like when it launched, right? I had it in my collection, but I did not unbox it. Now I really regret it that I did not do it immediately. Look at the color combination, guys. Like the red and black goes so well. Let me zoom in. Okay, so we have the Michelin branded tires in the front and back. Of course, they roll smoothly. On the sides, we can see the MOTUL logo, the number 23. Again, the Michelin, and we have the Nismo text as well, which has been a bit cut off for some reason. Okay, I'm not sure whether that is like on the original car. I really doubt it, but yeah, need to see. And we have a few other logo as well. And let me just quickly see on the back as well. Okay, again, some more sponsorships. All right, like this looks really good. Oh, okay, how could I forget? Oh, here's the Michelin tire man. Let's check out the front of the car. Okay, look at that aggressive front look. Of course, this is a race car, so that is expected. We have the Nissan branding. Let me zoom in. We have the, you can see, right, the GT-R logo there. Again, the Michelin and the MOTUL at the front. Looks great. Here's the engine cover details. Okay, here it is a Mitsubishi Chemical. Okay, lot of sponsors, guys, lot of sponsors. And these vents, right, like these are done very neatly. Of course, we have the wiper details in Nissan text. That has to be there. Looks great. On the top, we have the Nissan Nismo. Okay, again, looks nice. Okay, the back, right? So the front is of course transparent. You can see the details inside, but the back has a mirror-like finish, right? Yeah, it's a mirror-like finish, like chrome finish. I am not sure whether that is like on the original car, guys. Like, let me know if any one of you have seen the original car in videos and all. But yeah, we have the Bosch logo, and on the wing, of course, we have the Nissan text. This red and black color mix that you see, right? Like I dig it. Like I love it. And on this side, guys, like let me zoom in. Look at these. What to say? This I will say these are the air. Like for the aerodynamics, they have made this vents, these grills. Like these are so neatly done. I'm talking about these. Like so neatly done. Like look at from this angle. Yeah, these are 3D. These are not just tampos or anything like that. Like I love it. I love this car. Here's the other side again, and the mirrors, of course, made of rubber. Yup, they are made of rubber. No like mirror stickers, silver stickers, something like that. No. And let's check out the back of the car. We have again a lot of sponsorships, but of course, because it's a race car, we have Michelin, the MOTUL logo, Nismo, and the car number as well, 23, and of course the Nissan badge. Can I show it to you better? Yes, I can. The rear plastic insert, right? The rear lights again look great. The Mini GT has done a great job. Overall, the rear looks really nice. Like nothing much to complain. Let's just check out the base of the car. Okay, the review was going on really good, but as you can see, the base has no details, nothing. Like they have kept it simple. Okay, here's the diffuser, guys. But yeah, and also see, guys, the tires of course are made of rubber. You know, after all these days, right, you're following my channel and all, but there are no tire marks. Okay, not tire marks, I will say the grips. Yes, the tire grips are missing, right? Like I thought that this is a race car, they will add that detail. And again, this is made in collaboration with like Tsugio Matsuda. They have added the figurine, so I thought that they will do it, but they did not. Time for a quick roll test. Yes, rolls really nicely. So guys, again, this is a good pick. Okay, so how should I hold it? I think this is a better way to hold it. Yeah, so again, like I will definitely recommend this to add it to your collection. I hope you really enjoyed this unboxing. I definitely did. If you ask me, like, you should target to get both of these models. Like, definitely, like, this is a very good one to have it in your collection. I definitely loved it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments on what do you think, like which one do you like the most. Like, I am pretty sure you will have a choice, right, out of the two. Now, I definitely like the Nismo one better. Both of them are good, no doubts. I like the Nismo one better, but still, I want to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments. Alright guys, that's it from this video. See you guys in the next one.